totally YouTube worthy.
Ow,
Did
bud.
she bite me?
She bit me.
Oh no. She nibbled.
She did nibble. But I'm taking her toy. She's like, give me my toy back.
But it's my car keys.
I know I need to go to work. Sorry.
Butt buns. Ooh. Yeah, pretty.
Jeez. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Fine. Fine. I won't go to work. I don't need the keys.
Hey! Don't eat it! She's gonna eat its head off. Juju.
That bunny stare. Oh, Jesus. Jeez.